what would be good to just start out with is if you want to give high level background into yourself and into the company that you're a part of.
Sure, thank you so much. Well, I'm Alfredo Merino. I've been a healthcare executive for more than 35 years. I left the corporate world like 2 years ago, and I started Global Top Talent or Talented IQ because I found a need about the space in which people are applying and not getting responses, like being ghosted. So I wanted to create a platform where people can be found.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know from experience from your past, that was something that you ran into a lot was just finding the right talent. There's a lot of platforms out there like Indeed, LinkedIn, but what did you feel was missing from those that Global Top Talent could provide?
Especially the reason that people can be identified as people looking for a job. You have like a sticker on LinkedIn, and indeed you have your profile. I think those platforms do not give you the ability to showcase who you really are. I think the platform that we are trying to put together, that we did put together, is to show the people for who they are, what they have done, and what they have accomplished.
Yeah, absolutely. And when you were in the process, what ultimately had you land on Imaginovation as the team to help build this application?
I did a lot of research, having left the corporate world and having worked in strategy. I'm used to analyze different options, and I think the proposal from Imaginovation was the most suitable for my needs. I think you presented the project the same way that I wanted to be, and especially you told me that the full team will be engaged with me, not just somebody who was living somewhere and they will be tasked with different phases of the project.
Right, right. It's not just a freelance approach. It's one where the whole team's going to be involved.
Exactly, the whole team will not be involved. Exactly.
Amazing. And for you, how would you describe that experience? Because again, our team built this and took our time, and the platform's been out for a little while now. So I'm
Oh, two
interested to
months
hear what your
now. Yeah,
experience.
2 months. Yeah. The team was great. The team was very friendly, was very committed, very engaging since the very beginning. We used to have weekly meetings, and I think they actually respond to all my questions, the question that I had, and actually try to understand the thing that I wanted to. So I think the responsiveness from your side was amazing.
That's great to hear. And it was a fun project. I know that much. It's you being able to use AI. I think a lot of companies are catching on to that, but the way that your organization uses AI to stand out in this field, I think it's very cutting edge.
Yeah, and the way you presented it, it was very easy for me to understand. I don't have a technical background, but you did an amazing job.
Well, great. So, how has the initial feedback been? The initial response of now that the platform's out there. I know that you're currently in the focus right now of growing the platform, growing the users. But has there been anything that stood out to you?
Nothing for the moment, honestly. Sorry for the background noise. Nothing for the moment, but we're still in the phase of getting users, to getting people who want to stand, who want to be found. So I think what I have heard is the platform gives them the ability to showcase who they are, as I pointed out before. They
Yeah.
have more resources to prove beyond the resume. So this was the main intention behind the Global Top Talent.
Well, great. And is there anything that you're really excited about for the platform moving forward?
I'm really excited to have been able to launch it. Now the next phase is to find investors and to get more users so we can start talking to companies so they can actually, the company will be the users.
Yeah.
I'm trying to create a very, very large database of people who want to be found. There have been lots of layoffs recently in several industries. So I'm trying to give the people the opportunity to be found and to showcase who they really are, honestly.
That's a really, really important thing, especially considering, like you mentioned, the layoffs that are happening. I think it gives people a place where they can showcase their talent, and companies will save their own time, at least in finding those candidates that match what they're looking for.
Exactly, because the system will find them for them. That's the main purpose for using the AI.
Exactly. Yeah, so we're excited to see how the product evolves over time and how the users will really take to it and the impact it'll just make in the overall job market. I think is what gets
Me
us
too. Thank you
excited
so much.
about this.
Yeah, I'm very excited as well. It's a newborn, so we have to take it step by step. But I think it's going to be great. Thank you so much again for all your help, for your responsiveness, and for your professionalism. Honestly.
Absolutely. And just as a final thought for a company that's out there that's considering Imaginovation, is there anything that you would say to them as they consider, the options that are out there? Because there are a lot of development options.
Sorry, I would recommend you 100%. Sorry, this is a live interview, a live questions and answers. Yeah, I would recommend you 100%. The way that you have presented the project, the way you have developed it, the way you have helped me, and the responsiveness again, I need to emphasize that has been amazing. I strongly recommend Imaginovation over all the companies out there.
Well, Alfredo, I appreciate it. We're excited about what the future holds.